to create the cottage farmhouse look. It is, without a doubt, one of my favorite styles of decoration. If you love it too, keep watching the video because I have some awesome home inspiration to share today. I would like to introduce you to Kasia's house. In the living room, I love the relaxing element that this cottage farmhouse style brings. Use a lot of texture, natural element and neutral colors. In addition, this house integrates the living room, dining room, and kitchen in a single environment in a very cozy way. In the dining room, highlight the centerpiece with a rectangular object equal to the shape of the wooden table. In the kitchen, a neutral cabinet base provides the ability to highlight accessories. Bathroom. Here, the repurposed furniture refreshes the design of the sink to achieve a relaxing space next to the bathtub. The best idea when decorating your bedroom is to place the accessories you love, cozy sheet sets, and lots of cushions without forgetting a blanket at your feet. A covered outdoor terrace where you can enjoy the summer, here is the best option where the mix of styles does not matter. What do you think of this style?